Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the first layer of a Rubik's Cube. So I am going to be showing you a very easy way to solve the first layer of a Rubik's Cube. The first step is to get a daisy. And once you've finished, it should look something like this, where the white edges where these four white edges are around a yellow center, like that. So there's a white edge here, white edge here, white edge here, and then a yellow center. So that's the goal of this step. So pretty much what you should do is you should just do the easy inserts. Like this piece right here, I'm trying to get a daisy. So I want to put so there are four edges, four white edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. So I want to just bring the ones I can easily bring over. Like this one, to bring it to the yellow center, I can just move it like that. And now it's matched up. And this piece, to bring it to the yellow center, I can move it 2 times and now it's matched up. Now for these 2 pieces, I can't bring it up because there's no way for me to bring it up. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm either going to turn the cube this way. This is called F prime, or this way, which is F. So I'm going to turn it either way. This time I'll just turn it F prime. And you don't have to know this term to solve. You don't have to know this term. I'm just saying this. But I'll pretty much turn it either to the left or the right. So I'm turning it to the right, and then now I can insert it. But I don't want this white piece to take the spot of another white piece. So I am going to move it over and then insert this white piece. So then now we have 3 edges, and the 4th one will be an easy insert to get a daisy. Okay, so I am going to show you that again, just to make sure that you understand. So again, the first step is to get a daisy, which is going to look like this. So right now, as I said, do the easy inserts first that we can just quickly insert like this, where it's facing. So if you turn either the left or the right side, it'll come in. And then this piece right here, if you turn it 2 times over, it'll come in. And you don't want to do that because you don't want it to take the place of another white edge. You just want it to have its own place. And then for this piece, since you want to have a clear spot, because you don't want a white piece, because now you're taking this white piece out. So you want to have a clear spot without any white pieces, the last one. And then you want to turn the front face either right or left. So I'm going to turn it right for this one, and then right now I don't want it to take the place of this white piece, so I'm going to move it over, and now this is an open slot, and then I move it in, and now I got a daisy. Okay, I'm just going to show that step once more, and then we'll move on. So, again, let me just quickly scramble this. So, what you need to do is you need to first get the easy inserts. That was an easy scramble, so I'm trying to scramble it a bit more. So, first what you need to do is you need to get the easy inserts in. So, right here, I can see that an easy insert here would be this piece. So now I have both of these pieces like this. And always make sure to have the yellow center up. I messed up that time because I had it on the bottom. But for this step right now, have the yellow center on the top. And now this is an easy insert. So I'm going to move to one of these 2 open slots by just turning the top layer and then insert it. So now there are 3. And I'm looking for the 4th one. Okay, it's right here. So now I want to move this front. So I want this front face to be clear. Like I don't want any white spaces here or any white edges here. and then I want to move it either right or left. So I'm going to move it right again. And then since I don't want to take the place of another white edge, I'm just going to move this over and insert. Okay, so the next step after you have the daisy done is to have a white cross like this, and then have the other edge of the white piece matching up with its center correctly. So you want these all matching up, and then you want a right cross at the bottom, and this is how you know you've gotten it right. So how I'm going to do that from the daisy is I'm going to look at so there's a white edge, and then what's the other color on the other side of the edge. So here I'm just going to do this edge. Here the other color is green. So now I want to match this up with the green center. So the green center is right here. So now I want to move the top face over once. So now I have it matched up, and the white is here. And now I want to move it down. So now it's connecting with the white center. So now, right now, what I just want to do is I want to look for pieces that are already matched up. And I see here that this blue piece on the other side is, or on this white edge, on the other side is a blue edge. And I want to match that up with its center. And I've already gotten it matched up. So now I'm just going to rotate that face 2 times. So then it goes in. And make sure you're just rotating this face. Like only where it's supposed to go, just rotate that. And make sure that you're taking this white edge with it. Okay, so next I am doing the orange side. Because this is on this is white, and then this is orange. So now I want to match it up with the orange center. So to match it up with the orange center is right here. So to match it up, I'm just going to move 2 times. And then again, I am going to rotate twice. And then this one, we got lucky and it's already matched up. So now I'll just rotate that twice. And then we have finished across. Okay, now I'm going to show that again. Okay, so this is the next step again. So, so for this step, I have the daisy done, and now I want to match up. This is the white, and this is the green. So I want to match this green up with the correct center, so the green colored center. So the green center is going to be right here. So I want to rotate the top face twice, move it over, and then I have it paired up like that. And then now this one, I already have it paired up. So I'm just going to rotate twice to bring it in like that. And now these two, this edge is connected with its center. And now we have to do it with these 2 edges. So right here on the other side is red. So I want to move this edge over to the right center. So now I've moved it over, and now I want to again rotate twice. And then for this one, I want to connect this blue edge to the blue center. So now I'm going to rotate the top face twice, and then rotate it, twice down. So now I have the cross with all of this done. So once you finished the cross step, this is how it's going to look. A white cross at the bottom. Don't worry about the corners yet, because it doesn't matter if you have white at the bottom. Don't worry about it. And you have these edges matching up to their centers, edge matching up to center, edge matching up to center, and edge matching up to center. So now what you want to do is you want to look for edges that are, that are facing towards you. Like this one is facing up. So I don't want to like do anything with the ones that are facing up yet. I just want to do it with these, because this is the easier one. And this is the one that I'm going to try to simplify this one too. So this one. Okay, so I'll just do this one for example first, this corner. And this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. But what I'm going to do right here is this corner is going to go there. So now I'm going to move this space up, move it up. So if it's going this way, if you're trying to insert from the left side, then move the left side up. If you're trying to insert from the right side, like pretend that I had a corner right there. So then I would be trying, like the white was right there. So then I would be trying to insert from the right side. But right now I'm trying to insert from the left side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this slot up. So then I can insert this piece in. And then now when I brought it up, I'll put this piece into that slot and then put it back. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up so then the slot is open. And then I put the piece in so then I have it matching. And then I bring it down. And now you got one corner done. And now we have to do that with the rest of them. So next I am going to do it with this corner, this white, orange, and blue corner. So I'm going to see where it goes, and this corner goes right here. So now I'm going to do it with the right side, not the left side. So now for the right, you lift the right side up. So then now this slot is open, and then you insert the piece, and then you put it down. So again, you pick it up. So then this slot is open right here. You move this piece open, or you move this piece over, and then you bring it back. So next I will do it with this piece because I want to do the pieces that are facing towards me before I do the ones that are facing up. So for this piece right here, what I want to do is this is where the piece is supposed to go into, because this is gonna be white, red, and green, and then this piece is white, red, and green. So what I want to do again is I want to lift this up so then the slot is open for me to insert this piece into, and then so like this, and then I put the piece in like this, and then I bring it down again. So again, it's this, so then the slot is open like this, and then I bring it over like this, and then I put it down. So now this piece is inserted right there. Okay, so now I am going to go to this one, the one that's facing up. So for this one, what I want to do is I want to make it like this piece. I want to make it like that. I want to make it facing towards me instead of facing up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to move, and this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which side you do this. You can do this with the left side or the right side. I'm right now just gonna do it with the left side, or I'll do it with the right side. But what you do is you bring the piece up, so now it is facing towards you, but you still need to put this edge back in, or else it just would, you would mess it all up. But you need to bring this up, and then you need to move this piece away, so then when you put it back, it isn't going back into this position. So you need to pick these pieces up, the pieces right here that I'm trying to insert, and then I move it over, so now the piece is right here, and whenever I go down, it won't go back up on the top. Now the piece is going to be here, and now it's facing towards me. So now I'm going to insert this piece by, again, lifting this slot up, and this is on the right side. So I'm going to lift the slot up, I'm going to move the piece over, and then put it in. And now I got the first layer done. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Okay, so for this one, I realized that I forgot to mention pieces like this. So whenever you have a piece like this on the bottom, you always just want to bring it up like that. You want to bring it up, and then you want to move it over. So then again, when you bring it down, it doesn't go back here. You want to bring it up, move it over so then it doesn't go down, and then bring this back. Again, you want to bring this piece up so then whenever you bring it down, it doesn't get put back where it was. And you want it to be facing towards you. So you bring it up, and then you bring it over, and now this white piece is facing towards you, and then now you bring this edge down again. So then you got this. I'll just insert, and so to insert this one, I am going to lift this up, and now this slot's open. So now I put the piece into the slot, and then I put it back down. So now I have this corner in the right place. So now, next for this corner, I'm going to lift this piece up, so then this slot, I'm going to lift this face up, so then this slot is open, and then I am going to put this white, so I was here, and now I lift this up, move this white piece over here into the open slot, and then put it down. And then now I got this one, which is facing towards me now, and it's not facing up, or it's not on the bottom like this piece. So what I want to do for this one is I want to, again, bring this slot up, or bring this face up, so then now this slot's open, and then put the piece in to the slot, and then bring it down. And now I got that done. Okay, so now I also have this corner here. So I want to bring this corner up, and then I want to move it over, so then whenever I bring this down, it doesn't go down with it again. So bring it up, move it over out of the way, and don't move it this way. Don't move it this way, because then it's just going to go to the top, and you don't want that. You don't want it to go to the top. You want it to go sideways, or you want it to be facing towards you. So always move it, or whenever you're in this situation where you're doing it with the left face, if you were doing it with the right face, like, so right now you're doing it with the left face, and now you want to move it right, and then move it down. Now, if you were doing it with the right face, then what you would want to do is you would want to move that up, you would want to move this, like, pretend this piece was here and it was right, or just pretend this piece was right. So what I'd want to do is I'd want to move it up, and then I'd want to move it left instead of right, and then move it down. But for now, I'll just do this piece. I move it up, move it over so it doesn't go back down, and then put this back in. And then now this piece is ready to insert here. So now I'm going to move this up again. So now I have an open slot, and then I'm going to put this piece in to this open slot like that. And then I'm going to move it back. And now I have the first layer complete. Thank you so much for watching. And if you still need help with this, then you can just rewatch sections that you need help with, because I think that just rewatching it would give you a better understanding. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Bye.